Hi friends, if you are in plan of making a website for your construction company or industrial manufacturing website, this video is for you. I am happy to record this video as I got a wonderful theme today. Its name is Kriate, and Kriate is industrial manufacturing and construction WordPress theme, and this theme is suitable for various type of professional industrial manufacturing, factory, company, small scale industry, business, engineering website. So you can change all the section of the website as you want, and you can simply customize the website as per your need. And this is a wonderful theme, of course, and the theme has been developed by Now Themes, and this is in fact a new theme. It was developed in December 20 only, and one update is also released, and I have the latest version of Kriate WordPress theme. So since it is a new theme, so it comes with certain offers, and it has the latest technology stack. So HTML5 and CSS3 has been used to develop this theme, and it has unique header and animations and balance mobile and desktop needs, and there are multiple salient features as well. So I will show you directly the demo website. This is the demo website of Kriate, and it has got a very stunning and unique look, of course, and this theme also supports the WooCommerce, so you can even use this theme for as e-commerce website in this sector. And it has a very clear and professional look. Of course, I'll show you inner pages as well. This is about us page of Kriate theme, and all the elements in this theme has been chosen very specifically to match the industry, and this is why it is presenting a very professional look. And I'll show you the service page, our services. This is our services page, and the website has got wonderful look, and it has all the necessary feature available with this. And in this video we are going to install Kriate industrial and construction WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also preview the theme options along with the customization options. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the latest version of WordPress has been installed. The 2021 theme is there, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, sample content, and the theme file itself. So let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose create.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time. And the theme size is very low. I mean, it is a lightweight theme, and it is going to work fast on your website. The theme size is just 10.26 MB, and it will be uploaded in just few seconds. And it also of course depends upon your server capacity and speed of internet, but let it be completed. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, you can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Kriate folder in which we got all the theme components, and the theme uses Redux framework. It is really a very wonderful framework. And now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. Go back to the theme section of WordPress. Now we have create as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is create version 1.0 by Now Themes, and create is industrial construction WordPress theme. Activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins to run this theme, and let us check what plugins are here. So there are some 2 plugins actually which are required, and rest are recommended, but I will install all the plugins as I need to showcase all the feature of this theme, and you can choose not to install any one which is not required, but I recommend to install all, and later if you don't want any feature of a specific plugin, just deactivate and delete that plugin. I am installing all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid error. And if you are going to take hosting plan with WP themes, you shall be getting the same server capacity as being shown on the screen. And now the plugins has been installed. Now we can activate all the plugins. Now since all the plugins and theme itself has been installed, we can take a look of our website, and this is the basic look of Kriate industrial construction WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content, and at this stage we need to import the demo content to have a target website like this. This is our target website. And the installation has been redirected to WordPress WooCommerce setup wizard. I am skipping this step for the time being, and you can complete by putting the actual credentials of yours which is applicable to you. And now it is fine to get the demo content, and now I am looking for the one-click demo importer option, and this is laying under appearance, import demo data. And simply click on import demo data, and the import process has been started, and it is going to take some time because it also downloads the media file and all necessary files. So you have to be here on this screen without any refresh, and you'll reach on this message. That's it, all done. Once the demo import gets complete, now we can take a look up another look of our website, and this is here. The wonderful website is here, and the original images has not been provided in the demo content, and of course we don't need those images. The image size has been clearly mentioned with the placeholder images, and that is good. We can place our own images in the same size, and rest things are here as shown in the demo. And this is the home page 2. You can choose to make your home page, set your home page as you need, and this is 2 and another is 3. So all demos are having very professional look, so you can choose any. Now since we have installed the plugins, themes and the demo, we can now check the theme options, what options are available with this theme. This is the dashboard of WordPress, and I will show you the theme options. Rest things are common as remains in the WordPress, and I'm just locating here. This is the theme options. And now this is general setting where we can upload the logos, and header settings are here. You can choose any header out of 3, and rest of settings are here. Main setting is here, header background, color selection, footer settings, sidebars, social links, fonts, miscellaneous settings and import export. So all controls are here given on this panel, and there is nothing additional except the WordPress default ones, and everything is fine with this theme. Now we can check how to customize the content and how to edit the content. Just to open that page which you want to edit, and since this theme uses Elementor, click here to edit with Elementor. Elementor takes time in loading, but it works fine. And now editing is so simple as a game of children. Just click on the area which you want to edit, and you can simply edit the content as you need. Pencil icon will help you in finding and taste of content. Just click on the area, it will be editable and it will come in left part of this screen, and everything is fine. So we can conclude that we have completed the installation of Kriate WordPress theme. And if you are having any question regarding this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me in the comment section of this video, and I am also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme. And if you want to choose the hosting plan, that is also available there. So, and I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thank you.